flying kite. Okay, so everyone loves to fly a kite. So particularly in Rajasthan, we have observed during the Sankranti, we fly kites. Okay, so the poet is again reminding us about the kite flying experience. Kite flying experience is always a good experience. Okay, all of us love to fly kites, and also it is a delightful experience. Okay, Divyanshu, I have written. Aditya, I have written. Ishant, I have written. Kinjal, I have written. Akshay, I have written. Anuj, I have written. Ishita, I have written. Naina, I have written. Saurya Kumar, I have written. Kushi, I have written. So join first, we will start. Okay. Namay, Tanuj, Nirmal has joined. I have written. Okay. So please concentrate on the text. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new. So the poet is telling us it is always a delightful experience to fly a new kite. When they dive and a dip. Dive means when we jump into the water like this, it is called diving. You know there are certain people called divers. Okay, we say dive. Dive means okay. Jump into water.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The head will be in half position. So simple jumping is not called diving. You jump like this. This is called diving. This is the head. You go like this. It is called diving. Okay. So with a dive and a dip. Dip means dip. You know, no? How getting the dip. You became immersed in the water.
सर आपने
Okay, so it snaps its tail. So what happens? The kite flies normally in the sky. When it goes down, it dives, goes headlong, and what happens then? Its tail snaps. Snaps means write the word meanings also. Snap. Breaks. Suddenly. With a noise, it's not snapping. You please write the word meanings. Okay. So what happens? A kite dives and dips, becomes hidden in the water. It snaps its tail. In the process, what happens? Its tail is broken. Snaps its tail. Okay. How snaps means? It breaks with a noise. That is called snaps. Okay. So then soars like a ship. Soars means to sail. Soars.
Humboldt.
Flying high in the air is called soaring. You please write down. Fly high in the air is called soars. Okay. So what happens?
Please adjust the camera.
The kite flows in the air. Suddenly, what it does, it dives and dips into the water. In the process, what happens? Its tail is broken. Its tail is broken.
Exact to the camera,
Okay.
please.
Then
Exact to the.
edge over tides of meteorites rise. Suppose the ship is there,
Exact to
how it will be moving up and down in the
Amol,
water.
please off your
Similarly, the kite
camera.
also moves in the air, like up and down. Edge over tides of meteorites climbs to the crest. Crest means to the top.
Please
Crest,
adjust the camera.
top.
Sir, please
Okay, please write down
to the camera.
the word meanings. We will go to the next data.
Exact to the camera,
So
please.
in the process, what happens? The kite also goes to the top.
Please,
Okay.
exact to the camera. बोल अपना माइक ऑफ कर.
Okay, children, are you able to see now? I will make the board bigger. You can see.
No, sir.
Okay.
सर थोड़ा सा और साइड कर दीजिए. यस सर नाउ दिख रहा है सर.
Okay.
नहीं दिख रहा सर फिर से.
Don't write the full poem. Write the question answers
वैसे ही कर दो.
and word meanings.
सर जैसे
So,
आपने पहले कहा
how
वैसे ही
bright
कर
on the
दो.
blue is a kite when it's new, with a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. Snaps means breaks into, breaks into with a noise. Snapping is breaking into with a noise. Clear?
Sir, please adjust the camera.
Clear? Now, edge over tides of wind, it climbs to the crest. Crest means the. I have adjusted. Yes.
सर बस यही कर दो.
If you can see up to this, no, it is over.
Sir,
Don't see the heading. Heading is written.
Sir, फिर आपने ऐसे कर दिया.
Name of the poet is written. This is in the book also. You will find.
Sir,
Okay.
adjust the camera. Sir, please adjust to the camera. बस. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, फिर आपने ऐसे कर दिया. बस. Sir,
Word
please
meanings you please note down.
the camera to the right side.
This side I can write.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Are you able to see?
No, sir. Sir, दिख नहीं रहा
This side I
है.
will write now.
Sir, I cannot see the full answer.
Then swing to rest as wind falls. So when the power of the wind becomes less, the kite again
Sir, I cannot
goes
see
to
the
the
full
normal
answer.
position. Clear? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, children.
यस सर.
Sir, please adjust
Okay, okay. I'm just putting the camera to the right side. Now, are you able to see?
Sir, left side. करना है.
Okay, children.
Sir, left side.
सर लेफ्ट साइड कर दीजिए. लास्ट वाला वर्ड भी हुआ नहीं है
Yes,
अभी.
sir.
I have adjusted to the right.
Sir, left
सर
side.
लेफ्ट साइड में कर दीजिए. थोड़ा सा दिख नहीं रहा है.
Okay. So, please see the fourth letter. Then swing to rest as wind falls.
Sir, please
And swing
adjust the
goes
camera.
flat.
That's
Flat means write down.
फोटो खींच के भेज दो. Sir, all please off your mic. All of you
Slack
off your
means
mic. Sir, आप फोटो खींच के भेज दो. कैमरा.
loose. Here, loose. Actually, the meaning is lazy and careless. It's called slack. Okay. So, lazy and careless is called slack. But here, in the textual meaning, it is loose. Okay.
Adjust the camera. Everybody, please off your
Clear?
mic.
No.
Sir, left side. मैं adjust.
ये सर
Slack
नोट्स हो
means
गए.
lazy and careless. Okay. So when string means the
Side.
thread which holds the
Sir, please.
Kite. So a kite is attached with a thread. You agree or not? So that is called the string. You wind it back. Winding means you have an instrument. No, you do like this. That is called winding back. So when the string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows. Breeze is the air. See, don't depend on the camera, children. What I am telling you, please note down. Suppose
Yes,
it is
sir, we
mobile,
have
how
noted
will
down.
show you the camera?
Done,
Sir,
sir.
now it's okay.
Okay. So, breeze means the wind. Okay. Now, what happens? The kite flies smoothly in the air. Sometimes what happens?
please.
It dives down
Sir, please.
and it dips.
यार अब
So
तो
while
मत
doing
बोलो
so,
यार, अब हो गया
what
वो
it
सही
does,
कैमरा.
it breaks its tail. Snaps means breaks. And run until a new breeze blows. Now again a new wind has come. So the again the kite comes to the normal position. So the poet is explaining the
please
movement
adjust
of
the
the kite.
camera to right
He is
side.
comparing the kite with
Sir,
a
everybody
ship
sir,
in
please
the
adjust the
waves.
camera to
Suppose
right
in an
side.
ocean, it is a sea. An ocean is
Sir,
there.
वो
A
हमारा
sea,
लास्ट
a
वाला
ship
बचा है,
is
प्लीज एग्जैक्ट कर दो.
sailing in the sea. So what happens? The
Yes,
waves, they move up and down due to the movement of the waves. Sometimes the ship goes to the up and comes to the
please
down.
adjust the
Okay.
camera. Sir, adjust the camera. Sir,
Okay.
right. Please adjust the camera right side.
Now total left I have made. Don't make me further request. It's already checked. Okay. And its wings filled and off it goes. So when a new wind blows, what happens to the kite? It again goes down, again comes up. Now it becomes normal. Now it becomes normal. But a ragdeer thing. Ragdeer thing means badly torn. You will never see. Ragdeer means this side you can see now.
अनुश्री अब कमेंट मत कर, सर डांट देंगे तुझे.
सर, आप लास्ट वाली लाइन पढ़ दो.
Ragdeer means broken and torn.
सर क्या लिखा हुआ है आपने सबसे ऊपर ब्रोकन का?
Are badly torn. Another meaning will come badly torn. Broken and torn or badly torn it will be. But a ragdeer thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of the tree. It is a common sight. When sometimes the kites get struck in the top of the tree and they flap. Flap means like the birds. When birds they move up and down their wings. Similarly, flapping is moving up and down. Flap. Move up and down. Moving up and down is called flapping. So a bird flaps its wings. We are telling. Array, don't say adjust the camera, adjust the. Don't depend on the camera. Listen, voice is also going to you. And these are, you have the textbook also. You can see the words. Okay. So, again I am repeating. You please listen carefully. It is a delightful sight to see a kite flying in the sky. Sometimes what happens? The kite makes a dive. Dive means it jumps down and makes a dip. When a swimmer or a diver, what he does, he dives into the water and
Please
dips in the
side,
water.
please.
Similarly, the
Sir,
kite also
please side,
sometimes
please. Please.
does like this.
Sir, side, please.
What it does, it
Sir, side, please.
dives headlong, moves downward, and again climbs to the crest. Crest means to the topmost position. Crest means topmost position. Then seems to rest as wind falls. So what you do? You pull the string. You pull the string backward. So what happens? The kite again becomes still and comes to the normal position. When string blows slack, you wind it back. Slack means lazy, and slack means careless. But here what happens? The string becomes slack means when the string becomes loose. Okay, that is contextual meaning you try to understand. Because kite is not a human being, we cannot call it lazy, we cannot call it careless. We can tell that
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
the contextual meaning I am writing. Please note down.
Sir, adjust the to the left.
Okay. So the string goes slack
Adjust to the left side, please.
when the string becomes loose. This is the expression from the poem. The string goes slack, it means when the string. You know what is a string? Or I will write. String is the thread. Thread that is holding the kite becomes loose. Becomes loose. Okay. So string goes slack. You wind it back. You again roll it back to make it tight. Clear? And run until a new breeze blows. So breeze means new wind. So we wait for a new wind. Again, we leave the thread to allow the kite to flow in the sky. And run until a new breeze blows and its wings fill and off it goes. So what happens? When you again a new breeze blows or a new wind blows, what happens to the kite? Again it goes up and its wings fill and up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it is new. This is repetition of the first two lines. So it is a delightful poem to keep us remembering. The poet is again repeating the first two lines here. What a rag deer thing. Rag deer means badly torn. Right there I have written here, rag deer broken and torn, badly torn. Very badly the kite is torn. Suppose you go and watch a kite which is struck in the branch of a tree or struck in the electric wire. It is a common sight we are seeing. But a rag deer thing you never will see. When it flaps on a string in the top of the tree. Flaps means does like this. Flapping, making up and down. So a bird is caught, what it does? Helplessly flaps its wings. Similarly, a kite also, if it is caught in the tree, what it does? It also flaps its wings. So the comparison to the helpless condition of the kite is made here. Clear? The poem is over, children. Now any doubt is there, you send, we will go to the question answer part. Okay. Broken and tone. Thank you. Yes. Done. Kinjal done.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Done, no doubt.
Doubt is there? You please send a message to me. Any other doubt is there?
Done.
Clear. Very good. Now let us go to the question answer part. Working with the poem, page number 28.
Please hold on.
Okay.
Sir, एक और बार.
Page number 28, you please open.
20. Page number 28. Page number 28.
Page number 28, you please refer.
निकाल लिया सर.
Page number 28, you open. Working with the poem. Working with the poem, page number 28. Please write the answers directly. List out the action words in the poem. Find out their meanings in these words. Answer 1. The action words are, okay, dive, dip, snap, these are the action words. Why I am writing like this? Because I will to write their meanings also. Source writes, source writes, claps. These words in a line you write down first. Dive, dip, snap, source, writes, claps. These are the action words of the poem. I am writing their meanings. Dive. Jump.
Sir, 2 minutes side please हो जाए.
At fast. Into the water.
Sir, side
It's called dive.
please.
Jump head first into the water. Then dip. To put inside the liquid. For a short time. To put inside the liquid for a short time. Snap. To break suddenly. With a noise. Break. To break suddenly with a noise is called snap. Okay. Source. Fly. High in air. Source. Okay. Writes. To write down. Okay, I am waiting. Don't worry. I will not rub.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I done. Done.
Done, sir.
Done, sir. Dum
Pramila,
dum tita ta.
she come back.
Papa.
It's called rights. Claps. Claps its wings. I don't know. To move.
Sir,
Up and
you are
down.
hold.
Six. Okay, please write down.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Done. Okay, I am waiting for other children
Wait,
because some
wait,
are
wait.
not able to write.
No.
All should write no.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Limpika, Naina, Subhaharine, Kirti, Kursi. Okay. Have you written, children? Shall we go to the next? Okay. Done. Very good. Very good. All have written, children. Shall we go to the next one? You say yes. Okay. We will go to the next when you say yes. Okay. 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 Shall we? I am waiting, Justin. Don't worry. I am waiting for you.
Yes, sir.
I am waiting. I am waiting. You please complete
Yes, sir.
fast. Okay. Write here in fair notebook. In the notebook, you write with the index
Okay, sir.
and also meaning of rides. Rides means like horse riding, you know.
Sir, what is the meaning of
To
snap?
travel or to sit on back. I have written
The
rides. I
meaning
have
of
written to see. You see.
Suddenly
Rides
it
I have
is
written to travel or to sit on back. Clear?
Sir, off कर
Okay.
दीजिए.
See the board. I have written rides. I have written flaps to move up and down. Written. Please note in the notebooks. You know, children. Notebooks you please keep because anytime they may be required if online
सर
class
मैंने
starts.
नोटबुक में लिख लिया है.
Okay.
ओके. नो. Sir, thank you for teaching us. Bye. Bye, sir. Thank you for teaching us. Bye, bye, sir.
Okay,
Thank you for
children,
teaching
now
us.
simile.
Bye, bye,
We will go
sir.
to the next one. Shall I rub?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have written. Shall I rub, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
सीतारा. सर आप कुछ और करवा रहे हो क्या?
Now you see a new concept which taught to you in this class, that is simile. Okay, what is simile? Simile is write down comparison between similar objects by using edge or line. Comparison between similar objects by using edge or line. Example, her face is like a moon. So what are compared face and moon? Why do you compare face with the moon? Because of the yes, roundness. So face is compared with moon. Two comparisons are made and use of edge or line it is made. It is so we have to fill in the blanks. He runs like a deer. Because deer is running fast, he is running fast. He eats like a wolf. Okay. She sings like a cuckoo. Nightingale. Nightingale is a singing bird. I have written nightingale. She sings like a nightingale. Okay.
Sir, side please.
She flies like a bird. Yes. It shines like the stars.
Sir, side please.
Okay, this side I am writing. It will be visible. Space problem, no children.
Sir, she signs like के बाद क्या है?
Like क्या लिखा है?
Science like the
क्या पूछ रहे हो?
Sir, she sings like के बाद क्या लिखा है?
so stars are shining. He also shines.
सर आपने she sings
He
like
flies
के
like the
बाद क्या
kite.
लिखा है?
You can say
सर अरे
so. Everything is written.
सुनो इस
Comparison. Her face is like a moon. He runs like a deer. He eats like a wolf. She sings like a nightingale. It shines like the stars. It flies like the kite.
ऐसे लिख रहा है
Clear. Now any other flies
सब
like a
बच्चे
bird
comment
also
करो।
written. Please write in the
Sir,
thread
आपने
notebook.
she sings like के बाद
Because
क्या
suppose
लिखा है?
online classes are starting, no. Thread
मैं
notebook
बता रही
you
हूँ,
have to
आपने
submit
she
in
sings
school.
like के बाद
Marks
क्या
are
लिखा है?
there. 5
बता रही
marks
हूँ
per
कमेंट्स में
thread
देख लेना
notebook. Any other doubt is there? You please send to me. No doubt.
Sir, आपने she sings like के बाद क्या लिखा है?
No doubt. He runs
आपने
like a
she
cheetah
sings
also
like
correct.
के
Good
बाद
job. He eats like a wolf. She sings like a
सब
nightingale.
बच्चे comment
It
करो।
shines like a sun. Very good. Answers will be different, but answers are correct. All answers are correct, children. You please write in the fair notebook. Okay. Please write in the fair notebook. I am sending the message.
So time is over. देख लो मैंने लिख दिया
Okay. Okay. I'm moving aside.
she
Hardly 2 minutes are left. You please copy it.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, please note down.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done. Very
Done,
good,
sir.
children. All the best. You please write in the notebook. Preserve it. If online classes will start, it will be required. Okay.